What's up guys, RETROCENGO here. This video is a bit different video. This video is helping you video, okay? So, let me start by saying, to the left of me we have got the A590 installed. We have a brand new PSU. We have its own original PSU. If I install this XT 20 megabyte hard disk that came with this drive, the hard disk boots and works perfect. It has got RAM expansion, works perfect. So hold this A590, was it A590? I don't remember its name. Yeah, hard drive plus A590 works perfect, okay, with this hard disk. So I installed this SCSI hard disk. It has a jumper at front that was on TX. You have to jump it over to SCSI. And then I turn it on. The reason I'm saying helping you is this beautiful SCSI hard drive is from an AMIGA 4000. From a German demo group that's called... what was their name? Yeah, I don't remember, but it came with an AMIGA 4000 that was just pumped up with processor card, all the RAM in the world, this SCSI drive, scan Doppler, Cybervision graphic card, Mephisto something audio card, CD-ROM drive. This demo group took a lot of tracks from CDs from mid-90s to late 90s, sampled them in this hard disk and made amazing music. Awesome demos. Some of the demos got released, but this hard disk contains so much music and demos, unfinished, unreleased stuff that I want to get transferred over to a compact flash card and send it to somebody in this community that can upload everything. It's so important for me because I want to save this. I just plugged it in. Looked at it for 2 minutes. First time I turned it on, it said DH1 had boot block error at 211,000 something. Turn it off, turn it on again. Now it says DH1 program failed, error 8 million something. Wait for this activity to finish. I can reboot or I can suspend. And I have absolutely no idea what to do now. So if I have a disk, a program, something that lets me boot up, because I've tried to do this, guys. As you can see, I have a start keystart 3.1, and if you see here, expansion board works perfect. When I go into AMIGA test kit and test it with disk drive, RAM, everything works great. And it has got great animations and pictures for the demos. Picture people will love it, music people will love it. Unreleased demos from the mid to late 90s, early 2000s are in here. Unreleased stuff. I mean, who in this industry wouldn't love something like that? I can't go in here, put in a disk drive and say I want to boot with DF0 instead of DH1. I will, as you can see, it finds DH0, DH1, DH2. Can you see it? And if I say use that and boot, it will try to boot from my floppy, but then it reads. In a second, we'll read over here. There it reads, and then DH1 stops everything. I've tried this. Check this one out. Just disable these two drive partitions that I want to look at. So we only have DH0 and say boot from the floppy. Yeah. It reads over here, and it checks over here, and now it loads, but I can't see what it contains. SCSI device, something, it found something. Nice. I'm sure we have. I know it has got bad block sector error stuff there, but we must have somebody in the industry that can say, RETROCENGO, I will send you this program, boot up with that, do something, and let's save what this contains. Come on. Oh, look at this DH0, 97% full. So as you can see, we have booted up there, so DH0 boots up, but I need 1 and 2. Harddisk, AT Toolbox, Diavolo, Maestro, BRM Maestro, DS Backup Recovery, Mount DOS, something, SCSI config tools, Dispeak, Quarterback, Mentest. I mean, this is every Amiga user's dream because so much productivity stuff in here on DF1. We just need it. Evil flush edge link disk something. I don't know. Oh no. Maybe if I try to boot with DF2, I haven't tried that. Oh no, wait. Oh man, I want to see what this contains. Okay, let me see here. Let's disable this and only have DH2 enabled. I haven't tried that. If that works, I would be so happy. Then we will have some of the stuff. But come on, there have to be something we can do to save this. I was thinking about taking off those 6 screws, open it up, and see if it has scratches on the disc that I could, clean very carefully, but I don't think I have to go that far. Oh, I hope we have DH2 now. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's here, it's called storage. 90% full. We have got text, page stream, Mac shape, Spiele, graphic, program, imaging, sound, RAM push, sound effects. See, that's what I'm talking about. They sample sounds from music from the 90s. Put them in here. They're in here. Animals, car sounds, something. Chalk fish. Spiele. It loads and we have 0 games. I mean, I don't know if this was from Amiga 4000, Bang, Elite, Kennedy, Pac-Man. I know most of these names. They're normal names. Gravity Force. Imaging. Program. I just need DF1 also. D-Music, MIDI Play, Turbo Calc, Twist, PC Task, Immanual, Magic 64, Typeface, Make CD Compiler. What is this, guys? Thank you for watching. I hope one of you guys can help me shape. Yeah, it had, as you can see, it could emulate Macintosh with this card, tools, video. It had a lot of stuff inside. I have another idea. What happens if I let it boot here and just disable DF1? I haven't tried that. Maybe that works. Come on. Come on. We're warming up the drive, right? We're warming it up. It will... What the what? Intel outside. Please insert DF1. Cancel that. Did you see? It has... I want to see what's inside this. Don't you? Aren't you interested? Aren't you interested to know what's inside this drive? Now, DH1 is not. Let me see what it does. It looks like crazy. Oh, I pref Hokam hele. Oh. Yeah. German workbench. Yeah. It won't boot up that way. I'm telling you, this is from a, yeah, DH1 program failed. It's from a demo creators group. We need this. So if you have any idea what to do, hit me up, okay? So help me help you. Bye.